What if you were able to digest the indigestible? Possibly you will never fall ill. As they say, most diseases have their roots in the digestive system. Namaste, I'm Silky and you're watching me on the Yoga Mind, and today we are going to practice Paschimottanasana, or the seated forward bend. It's an excellent posture for the digestive system and it involves an intense stretch for your back. It's best done in the evenings if you're still a beginner into this posture. So read the contraindications and get started.
The starting position for Paschimottanasana is Dandasana. So let's get into that position. So you have to stretch your legs in the front and sit in this position with a stable and tall back. It's very important to get this posture right because it serves as the foundation for Paschimottanasana. Shift your body weight forward, lift yourself up and bring your body weight on your sit bones, which is just where your thigh bones meet your buttocks. So bring your body weight on your sit bones, get length in your spine, keep your legs as far as possible stretched in the front without bending your knees. So no doing like this, keeping your knees straight, and bring your feet inwards to get an intense stretching in your hamstrings as well. Now from here, with your palms placed by the side of your hips and your body positioned in Dandasana, you will need to inhale, bringing your arms up from the sides. After inhaling and bringing more length in your spine, you'll need to exhale going forward. Keeping your back tall, straight, stretched forward. Make sure here that your shoulders are not lifting up towards the neck. So keep your shoulders back and down. Also make sure that your chest here is not, closing in together like this. So keep your chest out and broad. And as you keep going and keep practicing week after week, you will see that you will be able to get closer and closer to your legs. Once you reach the limit for your bending, relax your arms down on the mat. Bend your head inwards. Place your head wherever you are comfortable. With practice, you will be able to reach your knees, and at that point, you will be able to grab your feet with your palms. Here, you have to breathe normally. Inhale, exhale. And when you want to come out, you have to start inhaling, and just as you went, you have to come back straight up without lifting your shoulders, shoulders down, chest forward. Come back inhaling and exhaling. You have to again lower your arms by the side. Lastly, you can rest your body by spreading your legs and keeping your arms a little further back, reclining yourself, spreading your feet out, dropping them to the sides, and taking deep breaths using your belly. That's all. That was Paschimottanasana for you. Do practice and do subscribe. Namaste.